Hey everybody, my name is Mia and I'm with Bangert Inc. We're going to be talking today about the new 2025 R4 release for the Sage Intacct Construction Edition. And I'd like to get us started with talking about a new Retainage release feature. This new enhancement is going to give you deeper visibility and more control over retainage management for both accounts payable and accounts receivable bills. So whether you're managing subcontracts, vendor retainage, or customer invoices, this update streamlines how you view and drill into the details. Let's walk through what's new, why it matters, and how we can start using it today. So I'm going to head to Accounts Payable, and you'll see Retainage right here. Now we have a new Retainage Release Detail tab, so you can drill into the retainage bill. I can drill into my subcontract. It's all here in one place, which is great. We've also added it to the bill page. So if you go into an AP bill, you'll now see a new tab for retainage release details, where you can drill in here as well. You can also export to CSV, and you can even filter this table too. So now you can immediately see which retainage release batch has been generated on a given bill and whether that batch has been processed. The new General tab group has the usual options and details under the header. And on the bill details page, you can now see the list of the bills that have retainage amounts held. And we can also drill into, like we can on most other pages. This is important because retainage is a critical control in construction accounting. Deferred payments to vendors, withheld income from clients, and all the required tracking conditions are met, and then we can release retainage. So with this feature, you get improved transparency into which batch or invoice trigger the retainage release. So this is the retainage release invoice. And now we can filter, sort, and export into a grid. I'd like to show you where it is for accounts receivable. Similar setup. You can turn off your enhanced list right here if you don't like that view. So if there was invoices here, I can drill into them, and I can also export similar to the AP page. All right, so here are all the project invoices, the retainage invoice numbers. I can drill into the customer to see if they are compliant before I release retainage. And it will also show up on our invoices as well here. So before you use it, there are a few prerequisites to check. You want to make sure you have the appropriate subscription to the Construction Edition. You want to make sure that you have the accounts receivable and accounts payable module, and that your company is also configured for retainage. So here are some tips to get the most out of this update. You can use the export to CSV feature here, which can feed into your project accounting dashboards. I'd recommend training the AP and AR teams to link bills and invoices to the corresponding retainage release batches, so your audit trail stays clean. And you can also use the filter and sort features to highlight unprocessed batches. So you can add a filter here if you'd like to see batches that have been processed or unprocessed. Once this is configured, you can incorporate this into your monthly review of retainage release details into your project, and you can also use this for closeouts or reconciliation processes. So today we spoke about the new feature for the retainage release details. On the AP and AR module, we've added a tab to the bills and invoices page. And there's also a section now under Retainage for both AP and AR. Where you can drill into all the details here and export if needed. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Here's to smoother retainage management on your next project. Thanks for watching.